back everybody to Beginner's Barbecue Outdoor. Today we're going to be doing ham and egg sandwich on the Blackstone Griddle. We're going to keep it something simple and easy. It's quick and it's also delicious. For all the new people that come into this channel, we're all about giving ideas for Blackstone and for Traeger grills. So here are the things that we're going to need to make this cook. We're going to use honey ham. We're going to be using 4 eggs. We're going to make 2 ham and egg sandwiches. Oh, there's one straggler in there. And these guys, we're going to be using these. Now these are really great. If you haven't seen my previous video of doing eggs with this griddle egg ring, it made it easier. They make it look perfect, and it's great. I mean, one of the best purchase I got for an accessory for the Blackstone. Love it. A little bit of butter for our toast. And that's all the stuff that we're going to need. Now that we have everything here, you saw all the stuff that we need. So let's fire up that Blackstone. All right, here we have it. We have all our, on the Blackstone, our knobs are turned to low because we don't need it hot. Eggs don't need it to be hot either. If you put them on low and you cook the eggs on low, your eggs will always come out good. Let's go ahead and put these egg rings down. It's gonna come at you fast, so there we go. Gonna put our ham, but we're gonna cook our ham just a little bit. Not a lot of oil. You don't need that much. Remember, your eggs cook fast, and so does your ham. We're just gonna leave this in there. Let's start to get that toast, the breads toasted. Bread to toast. So we're just gonna do this. Oh, nice little square. Bam. One in there, one in there, one in there, one in there. Okay. Now your eggs, you just do a little and it comes off. Now, I didn't add anything to the, people like to put oil there. I mean, that's fine, but as you can see, it came out top notch. See, eggs came out, and I'm telling you guys, I was horrible, and I mean horrible, doing over easy eggs when I was cooking them in the kitchen. But now, I graduated to expertise level. When you guys cook on low, cooking on low, I sometimes breakfast stuff, I like to cook on low. Eggs, everything else, sausage. I'd say a little bit more. While everything else is cooking in the backside. Look at that. Woody whoop. Oh, wait. I'm getting ahead of myself. So we're just going to add a cup on that side. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Bam. Bam. Nope. Nope. I want you open. So, there we have it. And now we're going to go add lettuce. Yes, lettuce. All right, let's go in the kitchen and finish it up. All right, so you guys have it. Ham and egg sandwich. So we're gonna add just a little bit of mayo on one of the buns, just to make it that much better. All right, a little bit of lettuce, bam. And just like that. Now we are ready to try these bad boys out. All right, here we go. Here we go. Get that lettuce more centered. Just like that. Oh, man. I love ham and egg sandwich. I remember eating this when I was a kid with my dad. And man, even years later, they still don't disappoint. Now, if you guys like your sandwich, your eggs, a little bit runny with the yolk, don't leave them as long as I did. For me, I like it like this for a sandwich, for this, because it's just not messy. Now, but some people do like a little bit of yolk when they, but for me, this is how I like it. You guys can do it how you guys like it. Tweak it a little bit. This is just an idea for you guys that are new to Blackstone, or had your Blackstone and you're like, what else should I cook? Because I get those days where I'm like, oh, what am I going to cook? I want to cook something. Maybe not something hard, something easy. Bam. Breakfast never fails. So, you guys like what you guys saw today. And if this was appetizing and you guys like, man, I want to try some of that, then make sure you guys hit that like button. Hit that little bell notification there to notify you when I put new videos. And if you guys want to be a pal, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, because there's more great content coming and you guys do not want to miss any of this. And if you guys want to be real pals, make sure you guys try one of these videos. Hit that little guy right here for easier subscription. To subscribe to the channel, it just makes it really easy, guys. It's just right there telling you. We'll see you guys next time.